Okay, guys. In the last class, we got to the point where we were trying to install Python on our system, and if I could remember, we had downloaded Python on our system, but then we were trying to install. So I have my Python in my downloads, and I click my Python, then I run it, then I'll click this and this. Then these are the options or the features that we're trying to install on our system, right? Then I press next, then we'll click this install Python for Python 3.13 for all the users. We'll click that, and here shows where the Python is going to be saved on our system, right? Then we click install. So then we have, and this thing will pop up, and we click yes. So then it's installing. So now that it has been installed successfully, we'll close, then we'll come to the start button here, and let's click the search, then we'll type IDLE. So when we type IDLE, then we'll see that Python IDLE Python 3.1364 bits will come up. Then we'll click that. So once we click that, it loads and it brings this interface, right? So when you get up to this point, then you have successfully installed your Python on your system. So from this point, we're going to continue on Saturday, and we'll write our first Python code. Thanks.